Hello, welcome to NOLA Stamping with Barbara Baldwin. So today I'm going to show you a little hack I have to use with the Close to My Heart sticker packs. So I'm going to show you my scrapbook pages that I created with the sticker packs. I always get the special paper and it comes with or without the sticker pack. I always get the sticker pack thinking I'm going to use it, and then I just end up not using it, or like I want to save the stickers for something special, and then I end up using up the rest of the kit, and then I don't have anything to use it on. So this is the Wonderland kit, and I think it came out in November, December of last year, so probably 2021. And in New Orleans, we don't get much snow. But, you know, I grew up in the snowy belt up in North Dakota, so I thought that maybe I would use it, but then I just didn't end up using it at all. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my all-purpose craft mat and I'm just going to put it down on the side there. I accidentally cut through it last time I used it, so I just cut off the little excess. And I'm going to take my T-ruler and I'm just marking like light little pencil marks at 4 inches from each side. So what I'm going to do is first cut the strips. Like at the top, they're like a 1/2 inch. And so I'm just cutting them a half so that I can use them over the whole 2-page spread. And then I'm just taking the sticker off and putting it on that all-purpose craft mat because it just won't stick to the craft mat. So it's an easy place to just pop off all the stickers. And that way, like if I want to use them with the sticky part, like that'll be ready to go. Or if I don't, we can do that in a little bit. So on the back of every single zip strip, Close to My Heart puts the coordinating colors. So what I did was I grabbed 2 sheets of coordinating cardstock. So peach was one of the colors in this paper pack. So I grabbed that. And then what I'm just going to do is I'm going to put the stickers on. And I'm doing, it's just sort of random. I'm putting some of the stickers flat, and then on some of the stickers I'm going to use some 3D foam dots to pop them up. And then I'm putting the split stripes from the top and the bottom all the way across the top and the bottom, just to do like a nice line. So now I'm going to do the other side also. I'm not done with the first one. I just, I like going back and forth real quick and just working back and forth between the two layouts just to keep everything kind of consistent. And then that way everything looks like it's all cohesive and together. So I always put things on 2 of those Versa mats, you know, like with washi tape, and then I just go back and forth working on one and then the other one, and then I can just pick it up and then put it to the side. So there I'm using my embossing buddy to take the stickiness off of the stickers, and then using the 3D foam tape to pop up some of those stickers, and just popping them all down. Because I wasn't sure exactly what we're going to do in the middle. And then I had a brilliant idea, shimmer tape. So I'm cutting my shimmer tape down to like a 1/4 inch. And then I'm just running it up and down the side. So then there's a nice line that sort of demarks like why it would be cut, I guess. And then I'm popping up any of the extra stickers. And I'm grabbing from the March 2022 kit. It had like a little film strip looking thing that's like 5.5 inches wide. So I cut out the film strip from the charcoal paper, which is part of the paper pack. And then I'm just gonna glue on the back of it some of the like scraps that are left from the paper pack. And then I'm also using some of the scraps from the paper pack to be like the frames for my 4 photos. And then I'm also cutting down a little piece of vellum that I found just from my stash. It's super old and retired. And I'm cutting that 5.5 inches wide so that it's the same size as the film strip is. And I can use it as like another frame for the photos. And then that gives me a little bit of space in the middle with that peachy color. And then I'm just using the 3D foam tape again to just pop up in between. So then, I can just put a few stickers from the center on that film strip. And now I'm just going to go crazy with the Glisten Stickles because I love that stuff. And snow is always glistening, right? So I figured that would work out perfect. So I'm setting that one aside and then bringing back that first page to just copy what I just did on that second page. So I'm taking that printed vellum and cutting it down again to 5.5 inches. And then I'm covering up the top and the bottom with the sticker borders. And I am grabbing the photo spots and I'm making sure to glue the vellum underneath where the photos are going to be. And I'm flip-flopping the order. So I had the 4x6 at the top on the other one. So I'm putting that one at the bottom and putting the 3x4 up above just for this one. I don't specifically have pictures for this yet. So as soon as I find something that's snow-worthy, I'll be sure to put it in there. And so then, like, what I'm going to do is just finish up the rest of those stickers and just pop them in as much as possible. I wanted to leave, like, a little bit of a journaling space, but I think I'm going to be able to do that, like, over on the side, or I can always, like, cut out, like, a tag and put the tag in there. So I think that'll be kind of nice. So I'm just doing my finishing touches and I think it came out pretty nice. So not bad for just a couple of pieces of cardstock and a bunch of scraps and the sticker sheets. I want to thank consultant Katie Weeks and Becky Bidding for the inspiration behind the idea, and I'd love for you to join me on my blog at nolastamping.com. Thanks and stay crafty!